So 2021 introduced the first collab of the year, which is a pretty strong contender for one of the best shoes I'm seeing this year. Now, don't get me wrong, there's a bunch of other things coming up high, but I just want to highlight how highly I think of this sneaker. What is up, everybody? It's your boy Danny, coming back with another video, another review, and let's just get straight into this. Happy New Year if this is the first time you see it's February. Why I'm saying it, but whatever. All right, let's get straight into the unboxing. We do have the Notre Dunk High. I wasn't able to secure these in my size, and I am out on the hunt for 10.5. And if you want the 7.5, let me know in the comments down below, I guess, or just Instagram. Instagram's your best bet, I could be honest with you. So let's get straight into these, and I gotta admit, I love these. I really do love these. I loved them since like the initial photos. I love them now that they're in front of me, even though I can't wear them, even though I can't put them on the toe. I love these. I'm gonna show you exactly why. So starting off with the sneaker that has the most detail, the left one, we do have a really nice leather finish on the toe and basically the left side of the shoe, and somewhat the interior of the shoe as well. I'll show you that in a quick second, but it's not like the craziest upgrade from what you're used to when it comes to Dunks. I think the crazy upgrade is actually on the suede itself. It is a long-haired suede, if you can't tell. If you really can't tell. Yeah, the leather's nice. The leather isn't like your average $100 Dunk. Maybe they stepped it up just a bit. I don't know if it's as good as like the leather on bodegas. I'm gonna reference those a lot in this video because that's basically the last shoe we got for 2020, and this is the first shoe we got for 2021, and I kind of want to compare them side by side, maybe on Instagram. So getting straight into it again, the long hair suede. I'm gonna get as close as possible because it is a beautiful little detail of the shoe. Here we have long hair suede that kind of wraps around the entire upper of the shoe. So you got the heel counter, you got the swoosh itself on this side, where the eye laces stay, this mud guard right here. It's a lot of details. Flip it over and you kind of have the same details. The swoosh becomes canvas. This interior becomes canvas instead of leather. And you kind of have a neoprene right here in the back, this mesh right here. And you have a mesh on the tongue as well, and it matches pretty spot on with the blue on the actual toe box. So this is a very cool colored shoe. I'm pretty sure it's easy for almost, I would say, any time of the year. I don't know. I might retract that. I'm not too sure, because one thing this shoe has, and I'll show you later on the video, it has like wool insoles, and that might heat up your foot just a little bit. I'm in Florida, so it's a big deal for me. Not a big deal. It's not a deal breaker. So on the tongue, we are met with a Nike, basically the same color as the tongue. And another thing before I get into this patch, I really do love this suede detail right here. Get as close as possible. I'm so used to seeing exposed foam that like seeing this really nice suede on the tongue is it kind of set me off, but I really do like it. I really like that detail. Pull tab on these is way more reinforced than the actual pull tab on bodegas. Again, I'm gonna reference those as much as I can. The bodega Dunks had kind of like a flimsy pull tab. It was leather, it was nice, it was really nice to touch, but I feel like enough force and that thing would snap. I feel like this is way more sturdy, way sturdier. Going on the canvas of the shoe, it is picking up a lot of lint. I'm guessing kind of like when you use a sweater too much. I don't really know what that name is in English. You are met with this off-white insole. Well, yeah, this off-white sole right here. It's really nice. I'm glad it wasn't like bright white. and it really doesn't match to a T. The mesh right under the pull tab, I think it's really nice. I feel like this is to secure this, and it's a nice little detail. Now, the patch itself, this was inspired by workwear, so if you have like sweaters or sweatpants or anything, socks, anything you can think of, use it too much and the material starts fraying, that's basically what the long-haired suede is gonna represent, that fraying of the material. And even though it looks rough, it's still insanely soft to the touch. I love it. I love that detail. This is the work patch you would see, and you kind of only see it on one shoe, kind of like how you'd have it on one side of your jacket or your overalls or whatever you really would, like kind of like a mechanic patch. Give you a little quick shot of the left one itself, and really quick, I'm kind of surprised by the laces they chose, because usually Nike wants to like really differentiate between Nike Dunks and Nike Dunk SBs, but something Notre added was not this complete white, but almost cream based oval laces. This is really nice. I feel like these would go perfectly with the Notre exclusive versions. And then they give us another pair of flats that don't really go with anything on the shoe, but it's within the same color palette. Like, if I were to show you colors associated with these, ooh, wait, does it go with this? No, not really. Not really, not, well, again, it's all around the same color block. So I really do like how it just matches. Obviously, the biggest detail right here is this Notre swoosh, the handshake. They have the same handshake on a pair of Vans they do. They're beautiful Vans. They're absolutely beautiful Vans. Just like it's a beautiful swoosh right here. I love that detail. It's supposed to like signify unity, and it's something Notre is really known for. We do have a dark blue navy outsole. Basically, kind of matches with the sole, the tab, all of the other leather details. Now, I did mention I was going to get back to it, but you do have this, just let me push it in. You do have this like leather insole or inside, so the guts are leather and it has a nice plush feel to it. Again, it might heat up your foot a little bit, and if you're looking for that right now, especially like I know some places in the US are really looking for that right now, it's hey, pretty sure it's gonna be welcomed. So that's gonna be my quick review for this sneaker. Thank you for tuning in. If you're new, drop a comment down below, like the video, sub if you can. Tell me real quick, what laces would you guys use if you really had a choice? I'm gonna be honest, these are pretty much, they're not staying. These aren't the move when it comes to this sneaker. These might be, or we can kind of see how these oval laces look. This might be a move. This might be a move. Let me bring these in real quick. I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Again, if you're new, like, comment, subscribe. Let's hope I can get 1,000 subs this year. I'm close. I got all year to do it, but still. I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Peace, love, whatever.